But what is the good thing about the white car?
That it stopped itself because the driver couldn't do it.
Huh?
It happened before.
I'm gonna teach you a trick when you run out of toilet paper.
I will.
What the
No,
hell
I
kind of
will.
trick?
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Today is Thursday. And because today is Thursday and it's not really a good day today guys, I'm planning to go to meet Tammy because today is Thursday and my mother-in-law, she is not coming here tomorrow because I don't know, she changed her mind again guys. She changed her mind again. She said, she told Tammy that she doesn't want to come here tomorrow. So okay, Tammy's not gonna argue with that. I'm going to go there and see my husband. Yeah. And what I have this morning guys is I don't have the pandesal. I have the blueberry key cereal lemon cluster. That's what I have because remember I have the other one, the strawberry one. I don't like it, to be honest with you. I don't like it. Yeah, I think it's time to leave now because when I get there 11:30 and I have a really bad stomach pain and I have my so much information. Yeah, so much. I have my monthly today. Today is the first day. I need to take the olive. Let me take the olive just in case I'm gonna have a bad pain later. Yeah. Oh, I bring the charger for the camera. What do I need? Roxy's already doesn't like that. She knows guys. Once I'm dressed, once I'm wearing different and wearing jeans, Roxy is really smart. She knows. Mama's leaving, baby. Mama's leaving. Yes, baby. Okay, the lipstick that I'm wearing right now, guys, if you wanna know, this is the Ruby Woo MAC lipstick. Come here, miss. Let's go out this way. Come here. Let's go out this way. Come here. Come. It's so weird because, you know, I think summer is not done yet, or probably it's done already and I don't know. It's like maybe because of the weather, it's gloomy, but it's not freezing like freezing. It's just cold. The wind, it's like I have this cold. Naghihintay lang ako guys kailan ito magwiwiwi itong si Misty. Kasi Misty need to do the business. She did already, but she doesn't really do anything yet.
Huh?
Ay naku, masakit yung puson ko guys. Oh, anyway guys, before I go, tignan nyo guys. Tignan nyo yung scallion ko, green onion ko. Sobrang lago, as in sobrang taba at saka oh my god, it's so fat. Hey! I can feel the wind pushing the car. Time check, it is 10:25 now. I will probably get there like 12. Yeah, probably 12 o'clock. And I told Tommy I'm not going to stay long, and because you know I have a dog and I don't want to be driving in the dark, especially if it's going to rain later on. I have a box in our bedroom in the other house that I need to bring here. Most of, you know, it's my clothing. It's my clothes that I don't have here. Anyway, I will see you later. I'm just gonna stop somewhere to find a gas where I usually stop to get gas because, you know, gas is needed. Gas is needed. Almost here guys. I'm gonna be there very soon, very soon. Very soon. Soon. Whatever. Candlelight is so forever, a dream of you and me together. Don't know the closer, baby. almost hit Tamir's car. Shit. Luckily the car's brake and I brake also. It's double brake. Shit, I almost did it. I almost hit Tamir's car. I accidentally pressed the freaking gas. I'm here, guys. I don't have an accident over there in the freaking driving, and I almost freaking have an accident in the freaking own driveway. This is ridiculous. Honestly, stupid me. Honestly, stupidly. Honestly. I almost hit Tammy's car. Luckily, it stopped. The car stopped himself. Did you hear that? Like, my camera is really bad. No, it's not a thing. It's something in there. It's just like an oil. Look, you see that?
Oh, that's not the screen. That's the lens.
Oops. Don't, it's filming, Tommy.
Okay, well, then stop it from filming.
And so, what did you say when I told you about your car? That I almost bumped your car?
I said you kill both our cars with one shot.
But what is the good thing about the white car?
That it stopped itself because the driver couldn't do it.
Huh?
Happened to you a lot, Tommy, remember?
Excuse me?
Mm-hmm. Yes, Tommy.
No.
It happened before. We're going to Costco, guys. We're just gonna get some freaking this argument about this freaking toilet paper.
Toilet paper. Yeah, well, we're gonna argue. I got a thing.
It's a thing?
I got a thing.
What's going on with your thing?
Bring your chain?
No, I forgot, hon. Oh, you don't fix it for me. I don't bring it, but you don't fix it. What?
Your mouth.
Okay, I can bitch about it next week.
This is what happened, guys, all the time. I cannot even open the door.
Amazing, I knew you didn't bring it. Isn't that amazing?
Because I wasn't thinking.
Uh-huh. And next week, oh, you just tell me don't fix my chain.
You know, that chain is very important to me. That's the first.
It's so important that you don't bring it to be fixed.
That's really important. You know that chain that it's like broken. He gave it to me from the first day we see each other. He let me said, stand back. I will put something on your neck. And he gave me that necklace, and that's the first thing he gave me.
It was a rope. Something on your neck. Here's a rope.
Yeah.
Wow, you're really all crooked and everything in here. What's that all about?
You are the one who drive crooked, Tommy.
You all in the grass. Look how much room there was on the side of this car.
Yeah.
Now we have to hit the bushes to get out.
Oh my God, you're just like screwing me. We have that fight, guys, about this toilet paper. So we need a toilet freaking paper.
We're gonna have a fight. We tell you, it's very important to me. I do not like.
And guys, last night, guys,
you have argued in the bathroom with no toilet paper. It makes me very uncomfortable.
And last night also he fight with me because no, he's not fight. He's insulting us, guys, Filipino right now watching. Because when I said that, Han, about the toilet paper, and then
I'm gonna teach you a trick when you run out of toilet paper.
I will.
What the
No,
hell
I will. You need to learn the Filipino trick. You know, guys, the tabo, and you put water in the cup, and then there is, you know, we have a special cup for like shower, for the bath, for the bathroom thing. You wipe your ass with water. And he told me, oh, that's like you have to wipe your ass. You have to use your hand. You have to like, it's gross. I said, yeah, because all Filipinos gross when you go to the bathroom. I'm not even finished explaining to him what our trick. And then it's not.
That's another trick. Yeah, wipe your ass with your hand. What a trick! I can't wait. So you get the water exactly inside your ass.
You have to use your hand. That with the water, Tommy. With the freaking water.
Yeah, you stick the faucet in your butt.
With the water, and that's why you have a freaking soap inside the bathroom to wash your hand after.
Sorry, that ain't my kind of trick.
You have to pour the water behind you and then clean your hand like this.
In an emergency, I do whatever I have to do, but that's not a trick, hon.
It's not a trick. It's a Filipino thing.
It's not a way to get around saying, hey, this is why I don't bother bringing toilet paper into the bathroom. Because you can always use your hand with water.
And this is the Filipino thing, hon.
Ask how many Filipinos and Filipinas living in the States sit there and say, I don't worry about bringing toilet paper in the bathroom because I'm just going to put water on my hand and stick it up my ass.
No, of course not. We're talking about you know, if accident, no more toilet paper over the bathroom.
True. If accidentally there's no more toilet paper, you do whatever you gotta do.
You know, it's not just about toilet, guys. About family, guys. If I say a Filipino tradition, you know, the first thing before I open my mouth, guys, a Filipino tradition, he would say something nasty or rude to us, guys. The Filipino or this or that. He is not even learning because he always the look he's laughing.
It's not, guys.
Because it's true.
Because she's got no sense of humor.
No, everything to him is sense of humor. When you talk about
She said, "Oh, in the Philippines, we're very good at basketball." I said, "That's because the nets are only 3 feet off the ground."
Why you go this way? Why you go this way, Tommy? Guys, it's crazy traffic inside also. It's traffic outside, that means inside is crazy traffic. Time check, it's 1:36, guys. Ng hapon. Ha? At CVS. You know what I come here for? Kasi kailangan ko ng pads. Maghanap tayo ng pads kasi wala na akong pads. Let's look for pads right here. Oh, Tommy also is looking for my mother-in-law's pads. Me, I'm looking for my pads. 13, no, I don't need that. I don't need that. I'm looking for.
Where you're from, it says okay.
Hi guys, I am watching
then it searches unless I'm
RealityTV right now.
Using it with the Canadian one.
If you wanna subscribe there on the channel. On their channel, just type RealityTV, you can find them. And of course the croissants, guys, the croissants from Costco. He's asked my phone and didn't play.
Because you're not really good at it. You're really bad at it.
Yeah. And every time we play, guys, we exchange phone.
You always think you can do mine, you can't do yours?
No, I don't have time to play anymore after I have to edit the video. Oh, you have another free. Why do they always give you free?
What do I have free?
Arrow, the arrow. They don't give me more arrow.
Stop using up my arrows.
No, they give you free. I get the arrow, so I get the free. I use.
Okay, go ahead.
Ay, nako, God. Guys, we're having this thing. Tommy's favorite. This is what he's proud of. The honey roasted peanuts. That's really good, and you can see me. And now I am wearing sweater, guys, because Tommy opened the 2 windows. It's freezing.
Freezing. Guys, take that where it comes from.
It's freezing.
Freezing means it's not 95 degrees.
It's not freezing. Like, I have my monthly thing, guys. My body is like cold, giving me more pain. Like, and look at this sweater. This is Tommy. This is what I always wear anyway. Even though this is Tommy, I wore this before because I like big sweater, and I need more sweater, guys, because I have only 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, guys, I'm leaving, guys. I'm going. Okay. I have the box over there. Oh, I'm going to put this over here. I need to put these croissants in the back. That there. Okay. Bye. Oh. Oh my God, it's so freaking hot, and I'm wearing sweater. Bye. Bye. I will see you in the house, guys, because I'm just gonna concentrate to drive with this freaking traffic. Bye bye.
Your class is here.
Yeah. So I guess I don't have a charger and a battery.
Well, that kind of stuff, doesn't it?
It's okay. I can use my cell phone.
You can't plug that camera in and charge it that way?
I'm not sure. I'm not really sure.
I would think you can.
I think because they give you a wire when they send this to you.
Yeah, so I'm sure you can plug it in that way.
Okay, that's it. I just want to let you know that I I know it. I know I will forget it. I know.
Oh, you even came back to see if you forgot anything. You think you would have thought of it at that point?
No, you know, I just remember when I start vlogging. But it's okay. I have my cell phone. I'm not gonna die for a few days. Yeah, that's it. I will talk to you later.
I'll talk to you from upstairs.
Yeah, I love you. I'm gonna eat now.
Alright, love you too. Have something to eat.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay.
Good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl. I start vlogging. I just realized, guys, that I forgot my camera battery and the charger. Of course, I knew it. I know that I will forget. When I plug it in the other house, I said, I hope I won't forget this thing because oh my god. So there you go. I forget. I knew it. Camera is done. You know why? It's not even 8 o'clock and it's dark already outside. That's how you can tell. Okay, this is Night Night. Good girl, Rox. Night Night, Missy, sit. I'm sorry, guys. I just got home and now I have to go upstairs. Night, guys. Night, night, Roxy, Missy. Okay, be a good girl. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to take off my makeup and I will see you later. I feel bad to Roxy. Kasi Roxy andun sa hagdanan, guys. She's on the stairs and waiting for me to let her come in here. Because maybe she's thinking right now that I just get home and I don't spend time with her. And it's true. I can't even vlog with this camera if this low bad. You know what I'm gonna use? I'm going to use my freaking phone. You know, remember guys, the Samsung S4? Well, any Samsung takes a lot of nice videos, and that's the truth. Don't get me wrong, iPhone does take good, you know, videos and pictures. But believe me, if I said good video, Samsung is the best. They're very clear. Yeah, I started with vlogging using my, not even real vlogging, it's just taking videos using my old iPhone. No, using my old Samsung S4 camera, you know, cell phone. And I still have that, but that's the one that I've been planning to send to my sister, but it never happened. I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you all guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it. And yeah, bye. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Tundan. Tundan ba guys? Tundan. Oh, yun. And of course, there's sound.